Hajj, the journey of lifetime. Stage 1. Ihram. At the Miqat, we enter a state of sanctity. No status, no wealth, just equality before the Creator. The journey begins with the talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Stage 2. Mina. On the 8th of Dhul-Hijjah, millions gather in this tent city for the climax of Hajj. Stage 3. Arafat. This is the heart of Hajj. From noon until sunset, pilgrims stand in prayer, seeking forgiveness. If you miss Arafat, you miss Hajj. Stage 4. Muzdalifah. After sunset, we move in silence to gather pebbles under the open sky. Humility in its purest form. Stage 5. The stoning. Returning to Mina, we cast stones at the Jamarat. This symbolizes our daily struggle against temptation and the rejection of ego. Stage 6. The return. We return to Makkah for the Tawaf. 7 circles of love and devotion, followed by the Sa'i, the walk between Safa and Marwa. The final stage, the farewell. One last circle around the house of Allah before returning to the world, hopefully, as a renewed soul. Hajj is a map of the human soul returning home. If you want to dive deeper into the meanings of these rituals, what part of Hajj moves you the most? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to our journey.